And here's how this drill works. Simply just copy what I do and try to keep up. We'll take turns rapping for 2 bars each. If you mess up, no worries, just run it back and try again.
I've been grinding so hard, so it feels like I've been steady growing. I've been grinding so hard, man, I'm focused. Keep it quiet, don't you let them know it. I've been grinding so hard, man, I'm focused. Keep it quiet, you better not let them know it. I've been grinding so hard, man, yeah, I'm focused. I keep it quiet, you better not ever let them know it. I've been grinding so hard, man, yeah, I've been focused. You been steady chilling, gaming on the sofa. I've been grinding so hard, man, I've been focused. You been steady chilling on mama's sofa. I've been grinding so hard, man, I've been so focused. You been steady chilling on your mama's sofa. I've been going so hard trying to get that pie. You been with an empty plate and you wonder why. I've been old time to get some motion. Just a bunch of hours working, ain't no magic potion. I've been working overtime to try to get some motion. Just a bunch of these hours working, no magic potion. Move it and just get out of my way. Tired of hearing excuses oozing from your face. Even when you grinding, you need patience, but you just can't be sitting around and waiting. If you want it, go and get up on it. Just know that there is gonna be opponents. If you want it, go and get up on it. But you better know that there is gonna be opponents. If you want it, go and get up on it. Before you flaunt it, just acknowledge there's gonna be opponents. If you want it, go and get up on it. Better not just flaunt it, just acknowledge that there's gonna be opponents.
All right, now be honest. How did you do? Was you able to keep up with those tricky fast parts? Let me know in the comments.